Flinders Ranges. Look at that, beautiful. We're back at the Flinders Ranges after spending the last few days at the Eyre Peninsula on the way back from Uluru. So this time we have a few days at the Flinders Ranges. We'll have a look at a few scenic drives, Moralana Scenic Drive, as well as Bunyeroo Gorge Road. And that's going to be amazing. You're going to see Razorback Lookout and also Bunyeroo Gorge. And there's plenty of beautiful valley drives where you're driving down into the deep valley. Pretty much driving on a riverbed. Look at that. Is this the road? Must be. Let's go, baby. Woo. Let's go down here. Riverbed. There we go. Back on solid ground. We are Black Gap car park. We're in the gorge. You can see a bit of Flinders up there. So look at this, beautiful. Kangaroo. Climbed up a mad lookout. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. I think that's all peanut pounds over here. It's amazing. My rock there, the Donga #1. Let's go there. That's my rock. Beautiful. We're driving through Bunyeroo Gorge Road. This drive on Bunyeroo Road, just past the Razorback Lookout, is probably one of the best drives I've ever done. Some of the best scenery you'll ever come across, and yeah, I mean, just look at it, it's beautiful. Wash. Look at these guys, these legends doing it in these soft roaders. The valley, the gorge. There's the riverbed. There's an emu on the road. Look at him. Just chilling, having a drink. There he is. He'll probably walk with me. Oh, there's another one there. And another one in the water. There's a few. There's two over here. Hey, you're running. He's a runner. Lots of wildlife around, so that's great to see. And the vegetation was pretty green. I guess there was a lot of rain recently, but yeah, highly recommend this drive. Bunyeroo Road and Flinders Ranges, Brackachina, man. some of the best views you'll ever see, and just look at that. Some of the best mountain ranges. Feels like you're, somewhere in Central Asia. Thanks for coming along on this epic drive through the Bunyeroo Gorge and Flinders Ranges. I'll definitely be back again. Let's go!